Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's makeup look is going to be a Taurus makeup look because it is currently Taurus season. So I wanted to do a makeup look that I think reflects Tauruses. My dad is actually a Taurus, so I'm quite excited to do this makeup look. So yeah, let's get into the video. So to start off with, to prime, I wanted to use this one. This is my Revlon Photoready Perfecting Primer. Comes like this. And I've just got a few pumps there. I don't know if it's focusing, if you can see that. It's a really interesting primer, like it feels like a moisturizer, but at the same time, on your skin, it just feels like it glides over it. And I don't know if you saw that, it mattifies the skin as well. So if you can see like a little bit of shine there, it really mattifies the skin as well. It kind of feels like a really fine, I don't know if you have tried Benefit Professional, it kind of feels like that, but a really fine version of that primer. It's a really nice primer actually. Okay, now that that's all on the skin, I'm going to take my Revlon Photoready Candid foundation. Okay, that went on really nicely, and just for a little bit more coverage, I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty, this is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer. Okay, so what does it say about Tauruses? So a Taurus is anyone who is born between April 20th and May 20th, and if you're born on those 2 days as well, April 20th and May 20th, then you're considered a Taurus. It says that your element is earth, and your quality is fixed, and your colors are green and pink. Now when I saw that, I got really excited and I thought, okay, I'm gonna focus the makeup look on those two colors, green and pink. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let me just blend this in. Okay, that's all blended in, and to highlight, I'm just going to take my Marc Jacobs. This is the Remarkable Full Cover Foundation. I really like this to highlight because it's so pigmented, and I really like the color as well. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender to blend this, my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I'm just going to blend this out. And when I do my highlight, I just like to really focus my highlight right underneath my eyes. I generally don't like to bring it all the way out, but with the amount of product that I put on, it normally just tends to blend all the way out, but I really like to focus it right underneath in this area here. Okay, highlight is all done, and now to set, I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty banana powder. While I'm just letting that sit for a little while, let's see what some of Taurus's traits are. So it says here that your strengths are that you're reliable, patient, practical, devoted, responsible, and stable. It says your weaknesses are that you're stubborn, possessive, and uncompromising. It says that you like gardening, cooking, music, romance, high quality clothes, and working with your hands. And it says that you don't like sudden changes, complications, insecurity of any kind, or synthetic fabrics, which is quite random. Synthetic fabrics. If any Tauruses out there are watching this, let me know, do you not like synthetic fabrics? And are you guys spontaneous? Like, because I feel like if you don't like sudden changes, then you're not really spontaneous, but maybe it just means that you don't like sudden changes with certain things. But yeah, it says that you're practical and well-grounded. Taurus is the sign that harvests the fruits of labor. That's pretty cool. I always like people that are hardworking. Okay, and to set the rest of my face, I'm just going to go into my MAC Studio Fix. Okay, so to start the eye look, I'm going to take a really soft pink color like that. This is one's by Napoleon Purtis, and it's one of their color discs in the color Sugar Plum. Because it's just such like a soft, pretty color, I'm not really like being super careful of where I'm applying it. I'm just going all over the lid. And I just noticed that I haven't done my brows yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and I'll be back. Okay, brows are done, and now to carry on with the look. So I'm going to do a pop of pink underneath the eye, like a really bright pop of pink. And I'm just going to go into my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to take this bright pink right here, which is called Savage. That one right there. Okay, so our pink's all on, just right underneath the eyes. And next I'm going to do some eyeliner, and I'm just going to take my Inglot AMC eyeliner gel and an angle brush. Okay, so liner's all done, our lashes are on, and now to just finish off this eye look, I'm just going to take, this is a lip pencil from MAC, it's their cherry lip pencil, but I just want to line my waterline with this. Okay, and now for the pop of green, I'm just going to go into my Take Me Back to Brazil, the Rio Edition palette, and I'm going to take this green right here. I love it. I love the pop of green, you guys. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, now to finish off the rest of the face, so I'm just going to go into my Tarte contour palette. I'm going to take the blush color there. And to highlight, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty. And to finish off everything for lips, I'm going to use my Urban Decay. This is the Mega Matte lipstick, and it's in the color Crank. And there we have the finished look, everybody. Happy birthday to all the Tauruses out there. I hope you have an amazing day on your birthday, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and I hope it inspires you for your birthday makeup if you're going to do anything like special on your birthday. Yeah, that is the finished look, everybody. I really love that like pop of green right on the inner corners of the eye, and then like the pop of pink underneath and the pink lipstick as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much if you watched all the way through, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment down below, just letting me know anything. If you're a Taurus, if you agreed with anything that I read out previously in the video, do you have those traits or weaknesses, strengths? Do those apply to you? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Whatever you get up to for your birthday, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!